I got so much out of the workshop today. I've built video into such a big thing in my own mind, and the format of today was fantastic because it really made you just face it head on, have several goes in front of the camera, and although the first couple maybe are not great, by the end of the day you feel able to actually talk and think and really not do a bad job, so I highly recommend.
Carmen, thank you so much for today. I feel so inspired to do greater things. I feel much more confident to speak on camera and yeah, much more inspired. Thank you for being here today and being a great inspiration. I recommend this course to anyone who wants more confidence on camera.
Today has been absolutely fantastic. Somebody that doesn't like being in front of the camera, I now feel like I have the confidence to go out and keep chipping away at it until I can be turning out content as and when I need to. Carmen's been fantastic. She really sets the scene and really brings out that confidence in everyone.